how to meet someone new at a coffee shop instead of being on your phone, instead of being antisocial. I mean, coffee shops are public places, okay? So this is the first thing you should remember. It should be expected to talk to strangers at a coffee shop. Like, just like it should be at a bar, at a pub. I mean, pub means public house, okay? Maybe the person you're talking to doesn't want to talk, and that's fine. But it's totally okay to approach them because it is a public place, okay? And a lot of people enjoy being approached. So the easiest thing to do is to find someone who's also by themselves. You go up to their table and you're like, hey, just want to say, I'm also sitting by myself. If you're feeling social, please feel free to join me at my table. And then you just go back to your table and you see what happens. Maybe you can first introduce yourself or ask for their name, whatever. This way, it doesn't put any pressure on them because you're not asking, do you mind if I join you? Because that can be a bit awkward, especially if it can be awkward if they don't want you to join them, but maybe they don't want to be impolite and they'll be like, sure. And then you join them, but they're not really talking. So you don't want that. I mean, it can work. It can absolutely work. Maybe they'll be very receptive. But it's just better to say, feel free to join me at my table, or would you like to join me at my table? The most low pressure way is to just say, feel free to join me at my table. Then you go back to your table, and that's it. It's very easy. It works. I'm making this video because I just did this yesterday. I just got up from my table, walked up to someone, said exactly this. I went back to my table, and the person joined me. And then we talked for like an hour. It was nice. It's very easy. It might feel a bit scary. I mean, I say this a lot in my videos because a lot of what I talk about, sometimes it's scary, especially when you're not used to it. But, you'll regret not doing it. And once you do it, it's like, oh, it was that easy. It's fine. So, and yes, you might be rejected. Maybe he'll say, feel free to join me at my table, and then they completely ignore you. Well, whatever. You're back to your table alone, just like you were 30 seconds ago. So, what's the big deal?